Hello Galactic family. Greetings, my beloved. We are Archangels Zadkiel and the sacred Archangeline Amethysts, and we greet you with love. Today, we would like to examine the reception of the light of consciousness. The rarefied high-frequency light is reaching your planet at a much faster rate and with a greater intensity than you have experienced previously. It is circulating in and around the universe to bring advancement opportunities to all forms of life. You are inviting them to experience the sensation of light because of the advance in consciousness. The light of consciousness is a vibratory frequency and not a solid form. Consequently, the invitation to receive the light of consciousness can arise in many ways. It may seem like a gentle form of energy. It may look like a gentle breeze, even if the wind is not blowing. It may sound like a melody, or it may be a thought that flows in your mind. It can even be a beautiful rainbow or the fragrance of your favorite flower. Whatever form you take, when you are open and ready to receive this light, it will come forth. When you say yes to the invitation of the light of consciousness, it will flow smoothly around you. Its sparkling points flow quietly into your energy field and match your energy pattern. You can regulate the amount of the flow by communicating with the light, to let it know when you are ready to receive more. So this becomes a partnership between the light and you. It invites you to rise to a higher point of consciousness, and you are agreeing to bring this highest vibrating light to the highest good of all. The preparation to receive the light of consciousness is an ongoing process. The more you prepare to receive the light, the more easily you can incorporate it into the energy field. The more light you incorporate, the more you are able to receive. As we have examined you in previous messages, releasing the old, outdated ways of thinking can enhance this process. Being aware of your thought patterns allows them to monitor your current state of being. As you recapitulate your day, you can assess whether your thoughts have improved your progress or whether you would make adjustments under similar circumstances in the future. For example, change is a constant in the three-dimensional world. When you align your thought patterns to reflect the concept that change is continually occurring, you can become more prepared for it. You realize that even if you do not like certain changes, they can happen, and you can strengthen your inner resources so that you are more likely to stay focused during those times. Daily meditation practices and the time you are silent can help you create your inner resources. If you find that certain thoughts occur regularly and cause distress, you may decide to take some time to reflect on what other thoughts and feelings are behind those thoughts. Often the first thought presented about a situation has another underlying thought or feeling associated with it. When you are aware of these patterns, you have the option of changing your thoughts or keeping them. Even if you cannot change the situation, you are aware of it and controlling your thoughts around it. Then you can allow new, more inclusive, expanded thought patterns to form in your consciousness. This will help to form new ways in which light can flow. As these new pathways form, you can discover yourself open to even more expanded thought patterns. You can become aware of new ways of looking at situations you never considered before your expanded consciousness. You can see all sides of a situation and understand each point of view, while you have clarity about which point of view represents your current state of consciousness. This does not mean that you should agree with all points of view. It is simply observing and being aware of each one of them. Observation and awareness allow them to be in the position of the observer. Because you are merely observing, you are not drawn to the emotional level of what is occurring. You can ask for the highest good. When you do this, then you can receive even more light of consciousness. This elevates them to a higher vibratory level. As you receive more light, it flows from you to everyone around you, and extends throughout the universe. It is a continuous process and cycle. The greater your understanding, the more light of consciousness you can receive. You expand your own progress on the ascension path, and you can still be more at your service as you radiate your light and be the magnificent beings of light that you are. Beloved ones, we are happy that you are expanding your ability to receive the light of consciousness. We are with you as you travel this magnificent path of awareness and light of consciousness. Know that you are much loved. We are Archangel Zadkiel and the sacred Archangelina Amethyst. And surround them with love. And so it is.